Building the basics. Mastering fundamental English skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very important concept, building the basics. Whether you're just starting your journey in English or looking to strengthen your foundation, this video is for you. Remember, mastering the basics is key to becoming fluent in any language. Building the basics refers to the process of developing a strong foundation in the fundamental aspects of the English language. This includes grasping the core vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and sentence structure. Just like constructing a building requires a solid foundation to stand on, learning English effectively requires you to have a firm grasp on these basic elements. You might wonder why focusing on the basics is so crucial. The answer lies in the complexity of language learning. Without a strong foundation, advancing to more complex topics and nuances becomes much harder. The basics act as your toolkit, enabling you to construct sentences, comprehend texts, and communicate your ideas clearly. They are the building blocks of fluency. Building your English basics involves a combination of strategies. 1. Vocabulary building. Start with the most common English words and phrases. Use flashcards, apps, or a vocabulary book. 2. Grammar fundamentals. Learn the rules of English grammar step by step. Focus on verb tenses, subject-verb agreement, and the use of articles. 3. Pronunciation practice. Work on the sounds of English, including tricky vowels and consonants. Listening and repeating after native speakers can be very helpful. 4. Sentence construction. Practice forming sentences in English, beginning with simple structures and gradually moving to more complex ones. 5. Listening and reading. Engage with English media, such as songs, movies, books, and podcasts. This will improve your understanding and usage of the language in context. To make the most of your learning journey, here are some tips. Consistency is key. Regular practice, even if it's just a few minutes a day, can lead to significant improvements over time. Use it or lose it. Try to use English in your daily life, whether it's speaking with friends, writing a diary, or thinking in English. Learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process and provide valuable learning opportunities. Thank you for joining us in exploring how to build the basics of English. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and by focusing on these foundational elements, you're setting yourself up for success in your language learning journey. Keep practicing, stay patient, and most importantly, enjoy the process. See you in our next video.